Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with week 2's winner for FP Handmade's 10-year anniversary celebration video scavenger hunt. There are going to be 4 weekly prizes, 1 grand prize winner. So this is week 2, and the question for week 2 was, getting it right here, Craft Room Tour 2024 video. On my desk, there is a picture of me carrying what iconic item? The answers were due by January 12th, 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and the drawing will be posted today. So if you missed the post time for the answer, go ahead and submit the answer at any time because you still can win the grand prize drawing. So last week, winner answered correctly, but unfortunately she won't be in this week's drawing. So let's see who got the answers correct. We have Becky Ann. She got the correct answer, and I'm drawing them just like I did last week, this cute little basket. I really like it. This is Diane W. Yay, Diane W. Lisa O. Hey, Lisa, you're in the drawing. There goes your name. Cindy N. Cindy, what's up? Are you the winner? Roseanne H. Hey, Roseanne. Got you going in the basket here. Melissa M. Hey, Melissa. Once again, you're added to the possible winners. Damaris C. She got the right answer. Then we have Christian R. Week 2, correct answer. Karamia. Way to go, Karamia. Right answer. Jennifer M. Hey, Jennifer M. Do you go by Jen? And then we have Gail B. So those are the potential winners here. I'm going to draw one name. This is for a $25 gift card to either Joanne, Hobby Lobby, Michaels, or $25 PayPal. Who is week 2's winner? I don't know why I'm doing this. It's like they're kind of already mixed up, but that was just kind of fun. And I'm just not going to look, and I'm going to pull the winner. And this week's winner, Lisa O. Congratulations, Lisa. You are the winner. Email me your choice of gift card. Michaels, Hobby Lobby, Joanne, or do you want direct PayPal $25? So congratulations to Lisa. And so let's get ready for week number 3. The question will come out tomorrow. Remember to submit those answers before 6 p.m. Central Pacific Standard Time on Sunday, and then we'll have another winner. We're moving right along. So thank you all for playing along. This is so fun for me. I love the little comments, everybody, when they email me. I think it's so fun. So thanks for watching. Bye.